Where can I cash a Western Union money? Most people assume the answer is simple. If it says Western Union on the money order, then any Western Union counter should cash it. That sounds logical, and that is exactly why so many people get stuck. The confusing part is that the name on the paper and the place that will actually cash it are not always the same thing, and that one detail changes where you should go first. Where can you actually cash it? The short answer is this. Western Union says you may be able to cash a money order at banks and at other retailers where check cashing is available, including places like grocery stores or check cashing locations. It also says you may be able to deposit the money order into your bank account instead of cashing it on the spot. And on its US locations page, Western Union also says that if you received a money order, you can cash it at a participating Western Union location or deposit it into your bank account. That sounds straightforward until you notice the word participate. Western Union also says that not all Western Union locations, including the place where the money order was purchased, are able to cash them, so the safest move is not to assume. The safest move is to treat availability like a location-by-location service, not a universal guarantee. How to think about your best option. If speed matters most, many people try a bank first, especially if they already have an account there. If convenience matters more, a retailer that already cashes checks may be easier. And if you would rather avoid carrying cash right away, depositing the money order into your own account can be the cleaner option. Western Union does not present one universal best place. Instead, its guidance points you toward the places that commonly handle this kind of paper payment. This is where people often expect a perfect one-size-fits-all answer, but there usually is not one. The better choice depends on whether you want immediate cash in hand, whether your bank makes deposits simple, and whether a nearby retailer actually offers money order cashing. That is why two people with the same money order can have very different experiences on the same day. What catches people off guard? The detail many people miss is the fee. Western Union says that in some circumstances, the bank or retailer may charge you to cash the money order. So even when a location can cash it, that does not automatically mean it is the cheapest option. A place that looks convenient can cost more than expected, which is why the closest place is not always the smartest place. Another easy mistake is assuming the place that sold the money order will also cash it. Western Union explicitly warns that this is not always true. That warning matters because it saves you from making an unnecessary trip and turns the whole question into a simpler one. Not who sold it, but who actually participates in cashing it. The answer that makes everything clearer. So where can you cash a Western Union money? Usually at a bank, a retailer that cashes checks, or a participating Western Union location, and you may also be able to deposit it into your bank account instead. The real key is not guessing based on the logo. It is remembering that participation varies by location and that fees may apply, which is the part most people only learn after they are already at the counter. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.